Hello, my friend. I am back with the same type of thing I know how to do again and again. And today we are going to be braiding a short fussy hair into these gorgeous braids. One of those gorgeous braids, actually, exactly this particular style. If your baby's edges are struggling and you want to give it time to breathe and just recover, this is a hairstyle I will recommend, and it is so cute. And by the time the braid is being taken down, her hair would have, especially the edges, would have rested. The hair disguises receding edge and also ends up being cute. So I do not know what your reason is. Even if you have a healthy hair edges, this is a gorgeous hairstyle you should try, because as you can see, it came out beautiful. You can see the length of her hair is actually longer than it seems, because this is a type 4 natural hair, and you can see how the braids came out. So you have no excuse. The only excuse you have is that you don't know how to make the hair, and that is why I have this tutorial here, so that you can watch and play along. And guys, the hairstyles you saw on her sisters at the beginning of the videos, at the beginning of this video, I have tutorials to that, and they will be linked in the description bar. Any of those styles you want to do, I got you. The tutorial will be linked in the description bar, so check it out. And you can see the way I am feeding in the hair extension. I cut this braiding hair into 4, because I wanted it to be a little bit long because of the beads, and it was perfect. So I used expression braiding hair cut into cut 4, and then I stretched the hair. If you do not know how to prep a braiding hair before you start braiding, I have a video of 3 different ways. I demonstrated 3 different ways of braiding hair, and also just compared their results and told you the one I like best, which one is faster, which one is more efficient, and what not. I am going to leave that in the description bar. I know many people are going to comment on the white mark you can see on her hair. Like, people are rude though. Some people ask me what is wrong with washing hair. I didn't realize shampooing hair is out of season. Like, some people just construct words to be as meaningfully impactful as possible. Like, those words have to hit you. But I'm going to show you why she has that scar on her, that white residue on her hair. I actually got to comb it off, but that is a residue from glue from the fashion show she had. Her mom is an amazing tailor, so if you're in Nigeria or you want your dress made in Nigeria and sent to you, she does beautiful jobs. I might link her Instagram page to the description bar. If you are interested, you can just leave a comment and I will hook you up. So those beads on her hair, no, those threads on her hair, they used a glue for it, and I couldn't wash it all off, so I will have to, like, if you just oil it and comb it, it's going to come off. So I wasn't bothered. When it's time to braid there, I will do so. So I just lightly gripped her edges just a little bit, so that the braids will not be flying up and down. And oh, she's feeling sleepy. As you can see, she just came from school after her fashion show. She had to take that hairstyle down and now make a hair that is suitable for the school. So kudos to my client. She's sleepy. Sorry. Beauty is not cheap. Beauty is work. Like, it's nice when you start learning from an early age that you gotta take your look serious even when you want to sleep. So as I said, when I just combed that glue, it came off, and you can see clearly how I feed in the hair extension between my thumb and index finger. If you open those 2 fingers too much, your braid is going to be loose. And you can see I use my middle finger to apply pressure on the hair I've braided already, so that when I stretch my hand or leave the hair to go collect hair extension, I am not pulling on her hair. That's one of the secrets that reduces the pain when you're braiding hair. Like, just press everything down with your middle finger so that you will reduce the tension. It's just like when you're waxing, and then after the wax you place a finger there to just calm everything down. I think I don't know what I'm saying, but guys, myself, I'm watching this video to see whether I just braided that glue into the hair. Did it go away, or I braided it into the hair? Here, this girl self, I don't know what I'm doing again. Ooh. Okay, so moving on. Oh, that's our baby, a baby, baby, and baby, and mama, and baby, and mama. Oh, oh my God, look at them. Oh God, girls. Oh God, I pray one day, on a very good day, one day in the future, I am going to have my own baby girl, and I just cannot wait. Like, it feels like the sweetest blessing that can happen. I just cannot wait for that time to come. Oh God, oh God, oh God. If you have a baby girl, you're blessed. If you have a baby girl, you are extremely blessed, and I tap into your blessing from here as you're watching my video. I am just, I don't know, just send me love of baby girl, so that when one day happens, like, I will be putting out hair tutorials every let me respect myself. Let me respect myself and keep quiet. But we are hoping, though, we are hopeful. This video is pretty self-explanatory, so that's why I'm just talking what I'm talking, and you are watching what you're watching. But I'm just making the style as I go. I just wanted something. Okay, we initially wanted to make all back, but I felt as if that would be too much stress on her edges, so I decided to braid to the side, because I knew from someone that didn't used to have edges from the beginning of time, I knew that when your hair goes to the side, it's not going to pain your edges. Your edges can easily grow back, and that's the only hair that some people can make in this their life, because they don't have front hair, they don't have edges. So if your hair is not pouring over those places, you're going to be having, like, when I braid my hair all back, I am sure it is going to start from like the center of my head. So I know they even go there safe, but this is just a way to tweak it until your edges can grow back fully. So that's what we are doing. So at this point, I am now obeying the all back and braiding everything to the back just like that, and I just keep feeding in the hair extension, feeding in. It's not amazing that you cannot tell this is for type 4 hair after the braid? It's amazing. It's amazing. And God, I appreciate this, my clients. I appreciate them, and I bless God for them, and I pray that, like, it's amazing, like, in 20 years time, hopefully YouTube will still be sound, and they can just look back at how they used to make their hair. Guys, if I remember the way we used to make our hair when I was small, I'll cry. If you grew up in Nigeria and made your hair in the let me say early 90s, early 90s, who born you to sit down like this and just sit comfortably there making your hair? Those people that braid their hair, that braid hair, that they were like gods. So when they sit down, they will keep you in any position that they feel is more comfortable for them, and the most comfortable position for them was to sit you facing them and then use their knees to hold your head steady. See, if I remember that thing, it's traumatizing. I bless God that my parents didn't force us to make our hair as kids. Even during Christmas, when we insist and got our hair, if I remember the pain, or is it those African threading hair that they use nylon thread and they will tight your brain? Oh God, forget it. Children of nowadays are blessed, because people like me we know what we're doing, and we pity for them. So our hair came out beautiful, and our baby is busy climbing the chair and coming down. She's so cute, and it's almost time for our photo shoot, because we are done. I just use a hand dryer to blow the hair so that it will be flexible, and these are my models. Bye guys.